In today's video, let's see the first part of regulation for operational readiness, maintenance and inspections. The information in this video is sourced from SOLAS, Chapter 3 Life-Saving Appliances and Arrangements, Part B, Requirements for Ships and Life-Saving Appliances, Section I Passenger Ships and Cargo Ships, Regulation 20 Operational Readiness, Maintenance and Inspections. This regulation is applicable for all ships irrespective of construction date. The following subjects are discussed in this regulation: purpose, operational readiness, maintenance, maintenance of hulls, spares and repair equipment, weekly inspection, monthly inspections, servicing of inflatable life rafts, inflatable life jackets, marine evacuation systems and maintenance and repair of inflated rescue boats, periodic servicing of hydrostatic release units, marking of stowage locations, maintenance, thorough examination, operational testing, overhaul and repair of lifeboats, rescue boats and fast rescue boats, launching appliances and release gear. Let's see in details. First, purpose. This regulation applies to all ships. The requirements of paragraphs 3.2, 3.3 and 6.2 shall be complied with, as far as is practicable, on ships constructed before 1st of July 1986. Second, operational readiness. Before the ship leaves port and at all times during the voyage, all life-saving appliances shall be in working order and ready for immediate use. Third, maintenance. Testing and inspections of life-saving appliances shall be carried out in a manner having due regard to ensuring reliability of such appliances. Instructions for onboard maintenance of life-saving appliances complying with Regulation 36 shall be provided and maintenance shall be carried out accordingly. The administration may accept, in compliance with the requirements of paragraph 3.2, a shipboard planned maintenance program, which includes the requirements of Regulation 36. Fourth, maintenance of hulls. Hulls used in launching shall be inspected periodically with special regard for areas passing through sheaves, and renewed when necessary due to deterioration of the hulls or at intervals of not more than 5 years, whichever is the earlier. Fifth, spares and repair equipment. Spares and repair equipment shall be provided for life-saving appliances and their components which are subject to excessive wear or consumption and need to be replaced regularly. Remaining subjects will be discussed in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please share with your friends, and subscribe to MarinAura for more such videos. If you have any queries or comments, drop it in comment box.